Two guys walk into the same job interview. Same resume, same qualifications, same answers, almost word for word. One gets hired, one doesn't. The difference? It happened in the first 4 seconds and before either of them said a single sentence. One walked in, met the interviewer's eyes, and sat down slow. The other looked at the floor, sat down fast, and started explaining himself before anyone even asked a question. Nobody scored his intelligence. Nobody read his resume twice. His body already told the room everything before his mouth opened. And that's the part nobody teaches you. Confidence isn't about what you say. It's about what your body says first. There are 5 silent mistakes making people, bosses, strangers, even friends, subconsciously rank you as low status. Right now, without you knowing it. Mistake 1, broken eye contact. You're talking to someone and the moment it gets a little intense, your eyes drop. Floor, phone, anywhere but their face. Here's what that says to their brain, instantly. This person is uncomfortable being seen. Fix. Hold eye contact 1 or 2 seconds longer than feels natural. That 1 second rewires how people read you. Mistake 2, the apology posture. Shoulders curled in, chin down, making yourself smaller, like you're apologizing for taking up space. This isn't humility. It's your nervous system whispering, please don't notice me. And the people who want to dominate a room, they always find the one who's shrinking. First, chest open, shoulders back, relaxed, not stiff. Space is confidence. Mistake 3, rushing your words. Fast talking. Filling every silence, explaining yourself before anyone even asked. That's fear talking. Your brain trying to get it over with before judgment lands. Fix. Slow down. Pause before answering. Silence isn't awkward. It's control. Mistake 4, nervous micro movements. Touching your face. Fidgeting with your phone, bouncing your leg, playing with your hair. These are self-soothing signals. Your body leaking anxiety even when your words sound calm. Fix. Let your hands rest. Stillness reads as control. Mistake 5, the fake smile. Constant agreeing. Smiling at everything, nodding at everything, never pushing back even when you disagree. This tells people you can walk over me. Fix. Say what you actually think sometimes. Calm disagreement earns respect fast. Remember those 2 guys from the interview? The one who got hired wasn't smarter, he wasn't more qualified. He just walked in like his body already knew what his resume was trying to prove. That's the whole game. Most people aren't weak. They just look weak because nobody ever taught them this. Which one of these 5 are you guilty of? Comment it below. I rate every single one.